Hello, welcome to the channel. It's been a little while since we've posted something. So today, right, first of all, excuse the sniffing. I have got a cold of all colds, but there you go. So today we have been sent by Doogee the S89 Pro. It is their latest rugged phone, and rather amusingly, it's meant to model on Batman. So you get this little Batman with it, which is absolutely tickled me. So let's unbox it and see what we've got. So, right, let's give it a go. He says, desperately trying to undo it. So this is a first for the channel, a rugged phone, but having said that, with what we do, a rugged phone is an absolutely brilliant idea if you're out wild camping. I've dropped numerous phones and phones that I have for work. Well, alright, so let's undo the box. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Box to one side. Here we go. So here is the phone. Here's the phone. Let's have a look at the phone. Oh, I like it. Look at that. Now that amuses me straight away. It tells you where everything is. Custom buttons, on, off, volume, SIM card, TF card. Wow. Ah, look at the back of that. How cool is that? How absolutely cool is that? That's amazing. Right, okay, what else have we got? So there's the phone. Warranty card, screen protector accessories, user manual. Yep, right. I'm guessing that's to put the screen protector on with, and charging cable, USB-C, and obviously we'll need an adapter for that, but there you go. Alright, so let's have a look at the phone then. Right, the instruction manual, which I've just had a very brief glance through. As expected, it is just very minimal. Charge it first. This, I believe, is running Android 12. 2 SIM cards, absolutely brilliant, and a SD card. This is what I like. The fact that on the back of it, all the LEDs, description of colours. So what does what? So what do we got here? None, no colour, no effect. Breathe, choose one colour. Incoming calls, always on, choose one colour. Left wink, choose one colour. The left wink flashes, the right stays on. Right wink, alternate, shine, rainbow, power on, low battery warning, music. Wow. So basically it will do a multitude of things, but you need to have a read through and have a look at that. Let's get this cover off here. So peels off, screen protector. Oh, nice big screen. Nice big screen. Can I see what the let's have a look. Is there anything on here that tells me the size of the screen? No, but it is nice and big. We'll get some footage of it. As you can see me in there, look at that. Yeah. So what do we got here? Dust proof. I think that's the customize button, or that one's the on off, volume, SD card. Can I come in? Yep, there we go. Oh yeah, so 2 SD cards and a micro SD card. Back, and I've actually managed to get this fired up, working, and everything doing what it should do. I've actually, ironically for me, done a bit of reading as well. So in the UK, as far as we know, this is expected to launch on the 22nd of August. So a few days yet. I can't give you a price for it at the moment because I don't know. But I will, as soon as there are links available, I shall put it down in the description. So it's running Android version 12. It's got a side finger sensor, so you can unlock it with that. You can also unlock it facially as well. It's got a 6.3 inch screen, 180, 240, 2340 pixels. Can you tell I'm reading this? It's got cornering Gorilla Glass, which, if memory serves me correct, is the stuff you can sort of hit fairly hard. So the camera, it's got 64 megapixel plus 20 megapixel plus 8 megapixel triple rear camera. So that's in there. In there, which is, I think it's sort of like becoming a norm. I think everything's having God knows how many cameras on it now, but the quality you'll see, because we'll record back and front. 2K QHD video recording and a 16 megapixel front camera. Now I'm assuming that is sort of super duper high quality. Video quality. Oh yeah, there you go. You can see it as opposed to guessing. Microphone. And again, I'm assuming that's the microphone is either back or front or wherever. 16 megapixel front camera. As I said, MediaTek Helio P90 chipset. So the bit that sort of processes and works it all out. 2.2 gigahertz octa-core processor, 8 gigabyte RAM, 256 built-in memory, and a dedicated memory card slot, which we've actually stuck a memory card into. Connectivity, 4G, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. The battery, now this is unbelievable. It's got a 1200 megaamp battery. 1200 megaamp battery, which is, I should imagine, will last forever and a day, and it charges at 65 watts. So viewing full screen. To exit, swipe down from the top. Got it. All right. Let's find something that's not gonna. There we go. How are we doing? What do you reckon? Turn the volume up a bit. Yeah.
Good morning. Welcome to very, very sunny Cornwall.
Oh, look at that. Zoom is filled, so we can actually, that's brilliant. And it's absolutely brilliantly clear. Let's actually try recording with the actual phone and see what we get. So hang on a minute. So the next bit you see will be with a phone. So this is recording with the front bit of the front camera, which is the 16 megapixel, if I recall. I'm not too sure what the sound quality is like, but we'll find that out when you're listening to this. So, and let's just turn it around to the back camera. Right. So this is the back No, it's not. That's the front. That's the back camera. It's the back of the phone. So I'm getting myself confused. I'm assuming this microphone's back and front. So we'll see what that has to offer. Brilliant stuff. Right, so all in all, this is an amazing piece of kit. There will be links below to the actual the phone itself and the distributor. It's released in the UK on the 22nd of August. I will stick links below when I know. Right, thank you very much for watching. This is, as I say, to sum it up, an absolutely amazing bit of kit. Really thankful for the company to sending it to us and giving us the opportunity. Yeah, really impressed. There's I know going on here, but light effects. Remember I said to you the back of the actual phone lights up. I don't think I can get it to do. Oh, here you go. So you can see what it actually does. So incoming phone call. It was like a breathing effect. That's what I've selected anyway. So, but little things, please little mind, as they say. But I like it. Very nice bit of kit. Very sturdy. It would be nice if they make it so you can change this back case, so you can have like a different style, like a carbon fibre, or perhaps you could have a picture or something on there. I don't know. Right. Thanks very much for watching. We'll be back in the next one. Bye for now.